Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into Part 8 of our 10-part tutorial, Artificial Intelligence for Everyday Life, a friendly guide for older adults. If you've been following along with us, you know our golden rule. Absolutely zero jargon. We're just here to show you exactly how this technology can make your everyday life a little easier and, honestly, a lot more fun.
Now, I know what you might be thinking right now. Is AI really as complicated as it sounds? Look, it's completely normal to feel a bit apprehensive when a massive wave of new tech rolls around. But I want to reassure you right out of the gate, we're going to clear up all that confusion today. We're breaking this down so you can see exactly how it works for you, completely stress-free.
And to make sure we're giving you the best, most accessible information out there, our insights for this chapter continue to come straight from a fantastic guide by Virtualization Options LLC. They're a Colorado-based research, education, and advisory group. And what's great is they specialize in making tech incredibly approachable, especially for older adults. So trust me, we are in truly excellent hands for this journey.
Okay, here's our quick roadmap for Part 8. We've got 1. What is AI, really? 2. You already use AI. 3. How AI learns. 4. Building your confidence. And finally, 5. Helpful resources. Let's get into it.
What is AI really? A helpful computer program.
Artificial intelligence is, simply put, a computer program that learns from experience and helps you do things with absolutely no tech background needed. I really want to emphasize that last part. You literally do not need a technical background or some fancy computer science degree to understand or use this. It's really just a tool designed to assist you in your day-to-day life.
The best way to think of AI is like a tireless assistant who is ready to help you day or night. Seriously, imagine having a highly capable, incredibly helpful neighbor or an eager assistant who just never needs to sleep. Whether you want to check tomorrow's weather forecast at 5 in the morning or you need a little help writing a letter late at night, this assistant is always sitting there, patiently waiting to lend you a hand.
Section 2. You already use AI. It is already a part of your day.
Here's a fun fact. You already have the skills to use this technology. Think about it for a second. Have you ever had Netflix suggest a television show you might like just based on what you've already watched? Well, that's AI. Have you ever been typing a text message on your smartphone and relied on that autocorrect feature when you mistyped a word? That is AI too. Or how about driving with Google Maps and having it suddenly reroute you around a nasty traffic jam? Yep, that's AI at work. When you think about these everyday examples, you realize you're already a successful, capable tech user.
Section 3. How AI learns. Understanding the process without the jargon. So, how does it actually work? Well, AI learns by studying millions of examples, just like learning to cook by watching and practicing. Think about a beloved family recipe. The very first time you make it, you're probably following the instructions line by line, measuring everything perfectly, right? But after you've practiced it dozens of times, you just kind of know what to do. Machine learning works exactly the same way. It just practices by looking at lots and lots of examples until it knows exactly how to help you.
Now, as you explore this stuff, you might hear a few different terms tossed around, so let's quickly clear up the two main categories. Traditional AI helps with existing tasks, like navigating traffic or auto-correcting a text message. Generative AI, on the other hand, goes a step further. It creates entirely new things, like writing a fresh draft of a letter, answering a totally unique question, or even describing what's happening in a photograph. So just remember the difference. One helps you do what you're already doing, and the other creates something fresh and new.
And this brilliantly illustrates one of the absolute most comforting facts about these generative AI tools. You can always start over or simply close the window. Nothing is permanent. If you ask it a question and you don't quite like the answer, no big deal, just ask it again differently. If you ever get confused, just hit that X and close it right out. You literally cannot break the computer. There is zero risk here, so there is absolutely no need to worry or feel any pressure.
Section 4. Building your confidence. Start small and grow at your own pace.
Let's map out a highly manageable timeline for you to try this out. Step 1. This week, ask a voice assistant one new question daily. Like asking about the weather or asking for a quick recipe. Step 2. This month, try using ChatGPT for one real task, such as drafting a letter. And Step 3. Ongoing. Share what you learn with a friend to build your confidence. Honestly, teaching others is the single best way to cement your own understanding and build a lasting skill.
Section 5. Helpful resources. Safe places to keep learning.
Take a moment to grab a pen if you'd like, because these resources are completely free and incredibly helpful. First up, we have AARP Tech Help. You can find them at aarp.org/technology. They offer these fantastic free guides designed specifically for older adult learners. Second is Senior Planet at seniorplanet.org. They provide completely free online classes on AI, smartphones, and honestly so much more. Both of these are incredible, safe environments to practice what you're learning.
As you keep learning, just keep these 3 simple reminders in your back pocket. First, be curious. Every question you ask is a great question, so just start asking. Second, be patient. Learning anything new takes a little time, and you have absolutely got this. And third, enjoy the journey. The best is yet to come, and AI is simply here to help you enjoy it.
I want to read you this wonderfully empowering quote straight from our source document today. It says, "Every expert was once a beginner. Curiosity and patience are all you need to get started. You already have a lifetime of wisdom and experience. You absolutely have what it takes to master these new tools."
So, knowing that you are firmly in control and knowing that you absolutely cannot break it, what will your very first question to AI be tomorrow? Spark that curiosity, take that first step, and just see where it leads you. Thank you so much for joining us for part 8 of this Explainer series, and we will see you back here for part 9. Happy exploring!